People, we're going to be learning how to work in value. And so in my drawing book, I'm going to make a little 5-point scale. This is white, this is black, this is medium, medium black, and light medium. All right, so I'm gonna start with my dark color. And I'm gonna get this as dark as I can. So then I'm gonna come over here to my light medium and I'm gonna color as lightly as I can. Lightly, lightly, lightly. Then I'm gonna go a little bit darker, but not super dark, but definitely darker than light medium. All right. And then I'm gonna go dark, but it's not going to be as dark as black. And I think I'm going to blacken in black a little more so it's super dark. All right, so now I've got a scale of value. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this picture of a ghost. It's not a real ghost, kids, it's just a bed sheet. And I'm just going to lay it out on my paper. And then I'm going to start putting in where I see drapery lines. And this is just a sketch, just so I get used to the image. I'm just following it along. Up here, it goes like so. And you know what, you guys, if you don't get this quite right and there's like stuff in it that isn't really there, probably nobody will know. Okay, now I'm gonna get in here and I'm just gonna start getting my value in. Now what I wanna look for is, where is it dark, dark, dark? Where is this dark? Well, I see it here, maybe a little here. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here. And I'm just gonna really push in and get it dark, really dark. And then I have a little bit right here, maybe a little here, maybe a little back here, a little bit right here. So now my brain, my artist brain has transferred, like, I'm not really looking at a bedsheet ghost anymore. I'm looking at just value. I'm not really thinking, what am I doing? I'm just really focused on value. Where is it dark? Okay, so kind of here, it's like a dark medium. It's not super dark. Okay, so I'm just really focused on the value, not the object. Because if you're focused on the object, your brain's going to be telling you, oh, that's not right. You're not doing very good, blah, blah, blah. And it's going to sabotage your drawing. And I'm telling you, even as a seasoned artist like myself, I've done a lot of art. I can't listen to my brain. I've got to just focus and just trust my eyes. I'm gonna get a black piece of paper. I'm gonna write my name on it, and I'm gonna get a white, this is a colored pencil. It has no lead, or I mean, it has no wood around it. It's a Prismacolor pencil. So this time, this is gonna be white, black, medium, and light medium. So I'm doing this in reverse. So we're gonna turn our brains around. Okay, we're really confusing our brains. So now I have to go in here and make this as white as I can. I'm gonna make this as light as I can over here. This is gonna be kind of more medium-ish, so I'm gonna push a little harder. Okay, and I'm gonna push pretty hard here, but not quite as hard as I did on the white. Okay, now I've reversed my value scale. Okay, so I've done the same thing, only I'm reversing it. Have my name on here, and now I'm gonna show you how to draw this using this. Okay, we've already sketched it here, and I'm gonna be ready to go. And I'm gonna tell you guys, your brain will tell you it doesn't look right, but you can't listen to that. And another trick you can do if you're really struggling to see the value is when you draw this, you can turn the whole thing upside down and draw it upside down, and that is an excellent trick to just shut your brain up and to just look at what you're drawing and the value that you're seeing.